Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. This is Dr. Chef with another recipe. Today we are going to prepare tiramisu. Tiramisu is maybe one of the most famous desserts worldwide, but where it was invented? Some people say it was invented in Italy, others say it was invented in France. Some weird people say it's from Japan, but no. It was actually invented in the 19th century in the city of Treviso, in Brothers. It was used as a aphrodisiac dessert, and the name, indeed in Italian, means pull me up. Let's see which are the ingredients to make it. So, our ingredients are mascarpone cheese, 500 grams, Savoiardi biscuits, the quantity depends on the size of the tiramisu that we want to make, coffee, enough quantity, always depending on the number of Savoiardi that we are using, eggs, 6 eggs, cacao and sugar.
So first off, let's separate the white from the yolks. So the most important thing is to not have a single speck of yolks inside the whites. Otherwise we will not achieve the results we want and we will get a watery mess. Next we will add about 130 grams of sugar. And we're going to whip them. This is the consistency and color that we want. Next we're going to add some coffee, half the cup. And we can add rum instead, or some liquor, like Baileys if you want, I don't know, I don't care. Put whatever the fuck you want.
Marsala also.
Marsala, it's a good choice too. So we will add this.
Why we use coffee?
Because we want to, first of all, take the flavor of the eggs out of the way. And it also gives a good flavor because coffee is good.
And because we are med student.
And we are med student, of course, we're not going to drink, right? Right? Anyways. So now we're adding our mascarpone inside. Be careful not to splash all the eggs.
So we are going to mix well until we have no lumps anymore, because we want to obtain a soft consistency for this cream. So in the end, this is the result that we want to obtain. You see, it's very smooth, it's very delicate. So next step is whipping the white until it becomes firm. So to see if the white of the egg is properly whipped, we are going to
flip it.
So it's ready.
Now that we whipped our whites, we're going to add them to the mixture slowly. By going from down to up, from down to up, to not
destroy the
oxygen we built up, otherwise it's all useless. So this way. Slowly but steady. This is the result we want to achieve. We're ready.
Okay, now that our ingredients are ready, we are starting to build our tiramisu. We just put a little bit of our cream. Okay, like this. Regarding the Savoiardi, you can count the number of biscuits to use. It depends, as you see, from the recipient that you are going to use. So what are we going to do is to pucciare, inzuppare whatever you want just for 1 second inside the coffee, like this. 1 second. So now that we put our savoiardi in the base, we are going to add another layer of mascarpone cheese and the mixture that we make actually. A little bit more abundant this time. So now that also the second layer of savoiardi is done, we add again our cream to cover it. We try to get an homogeneous result. So now we are going to dust our cacao on the top of the tiramisu. We are going to use this technological instrument, and let's see how it is. We are intelligent and we put some paper under the recipient.
So this is the final result. It's beautiful, but we cannot dig in yet. Unfortunately, it has to wait at least a few hours in the fridge, or overnight if you want. So let's put it in the fucking fridge. So that's it for our video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, press the fucking notification bell to get more notification as we post new videos. We hope you enjoyed this new recipe, but on a more serious note, since we are doctor chefs, I need to get your attention here. We are in a critical situation and that we need to stay together in this. You need to stay home, you need to wash your hands properly, only go out if necessary, like buying groceries, I don't care. Stay home. This is serious. As the Pink Floyd say in a song, together we stand, divided we fall.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our kitchen. This is Dr. Chef with another recipe. Today we are going to make tiramisu. Tiramisu is maybe one of the most famous dessert worldwide, but where it is actually coming from? Some people say it's coming from Italy, some other people say from France. On YouTube, Hey everyone and welcome back to our kitchen. This is Dr. Chef with another recipe. Today we are going to make tiramisu. Tiramisu is maybe one of the most famous desserts worldwide, but where it is actually coming from? Some people say it's coming from Italy, some other people say it's coming from France. You can also find some legends that say, no, non legend! Buon senti, basta, non lo dico.
It's really important that the whites don't have a single sliver of yolks, because otherwise it will not.
Mont.
Come cazzo si dice? It's really important here that we don't have not even a single speck of the yolks inside the whites, because otherwise Next up is we add the top. Next up.
Pensavo next step e avevi detto stop.
Next, we are going to... Now that we whipped...
That's the sound of love, also with dessert. Okay, now that our ingredients are ready, we can start building our tiramisu.
This is the result. It's beautiful, ain't it? So what we have to do now, unfortunately... So that's it for the video, we hope you enjoyed it. Sì, mi piace meglio così. Senza quello tipo dopo, perché me lo scorderò 100%. So that's it for the video, please subscribe. So that's it for the video.
And that's it for the
That's it
sentence.
for my line. So that's it for the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, press the fucking bell for more notifications whenever we post something new. And we hope you enjoy our new recipe. On a more serious note, I want you all to be careful in this situation with the virus. We are Dr. Chef. We are Dr. Chef, so I need you to tell you. Perché non so parlare?
In che senso?
Hai attivato la videocamera.
Ho sbagliato.